TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. We got another TMG 250 rolling out shop today. I'll tell you what, this is a slick one, all right? So we got TMG 250 on our single axle trailer package. Guys, it is awesome getting one of these on a trailer. You just hook up to it and go. It's not a gigantic trailer. Hey, I can build you a gigantic trailer if you want one, all right? But our standard 250 trailer, it's got just the right amount of storage on the backside. Looks slick, single 3,500 pound axle. Of course, guys, we build all of our trailers in-house. We are a trailer manufacturer, so you do get a title with this trailer. You can go register it, get it insured. Let's talk a little bit about the smoker. So like I said, 250-gallon tank. This is our patina finish. So we leave the natural patina on the tank. We clean it up a little bit, do 3 coats of automotive clear coat, so it really shines up slick. Of course, you can see, kind of showcase all of our handcrafted metal fabrication. Let's open her up here. And guys, on all of our tank smokers, you get sliding top racks, full stationary bottom racks. They are removable out of there. 1.5-inch ball valve grease drain, fold down stack. That is standard on every tank smoker. Come around to the firebox here. Fully insulated firebox. The door is insulated. The front of the firebox is insulated as well. So it holds heat extremely well. Makes the fire really easy to manage on this thing. This smoker right here starts $7,500 on skids. All right, on the trailer package, it can be right around 10 grand, guys. Hey, 10 grand to get you mobile with a TMG 250, it's hard to beat that. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit, you know who to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.